In this mechanism, you have the nucleophile hydroxide, and it is going to go attack the carbon, the nitrile, because the carbon is less electronegative than the nitrogen, so it has a partial positive on it. The nitrogen has a partial negative, just thinking about the nitrile, which gives you the carbon with an OH on it, the double bond to nitrogen, negative charge on the nitrogen with two lone pairs. The nitrogen grabs a hydrogen off of water, which gives you the NH with a double bond. Then you have hydroxide, strong base. It'll pull the hydrogen off of the oxygen to give you a single bond O minus with an NH, draw a resonance structure, sending the electrons to the nitrogen, giving you the carbon-oxygen double bond and an NH with a negative charge on the nitrogen. That can go grab a hydrogen off of water to give you the amide, and then you can add hydroxide into the amide carbonyl, breaking the carbon-oxygen double bond, sending the electrons up to the oxygen, NH2, OH, kick out the NH2 to give you the carboxylic acid, and then since you're in base, either the NH2 minus or the hydroxide, both of which you have in solution, the NH2 minus is the stronger base. It goes and grabs the hydrogen off of the carboxylic acid to give you the carboxylate, and this is the end of the first step. And then you add acid into it, and you protonate it, and you get the carboxylic acid. And all you have to do in these mechanisms, or in any mechanism, remember to start with just what's the nucleophile and what's the electrophile in the first step. If you're in base, the base is going to attack something. If you're in acid, something will go and grab a hydrogen off of the acid to protonate, and then the mechanism will go on. Feel free to email any questions. Have a nice weekend.